My name is Jeff Bezos. I'm 60 years old. I was born in New Mexico. People know me for Amazon. But behind success, there's a long journey. With fear, risk, doubt, and powerful life lessons. Today, I'll share my story and the 10 best lessons I've learned in life. One by one, with you. You don't need millions. You don't need fame. You need direction, clarity, and courage to act. If I could restart, I'd do things faster. I'd trust myself more and fear a little less. So listen closely, friend. These lessons are real. They come from experience, and they changed my life. Some will surprise you, some will push you, but all will help you live with purpose. This is not theory. This is not a speech. This is my story, and it starts now. Let's begin with lesson number 10, the one that pushed everything into motion. Lesson number 10 is simple. Start before you're ready. Because ready is a trap, keeps you frozen. I had a job. It paid me well. I wore nice suits. But I felt stuck. I saw the internet growing, year by year, faster. More people were connecting. I saw something coming. I told my boss, I want to leave. He said, don't go. It's too risky now. He wasn't wrong. I had no plan. No warehouse, no investors. Just an online idea. But deep inside me, I heard one voice. If not now, when? And I listened. I packed my car, moved across the country, started in a garage, books piled around me. No perfect moment came. I didn't feel ready. But I started anyway. And that changed everything. So here's my advice. You will never feel 100% prepared to begin. Do it anyway. Start before you're ready. Learn while you move. Make mistakes. Adjust fast. That's how success starts. Lesson number 9 is this. Listen more than you speak. Because real growth starts when you learn quietly. In every meeting I joined, I watched first who said what and how they thought. Most people talk fast. They want attention quickly. But I waited longer and listened with care. When you stay quiet, you hear real problems, not just loud noise, but what truly matters. Even with customers, friends, or the people around, listen first, talk later. It changes everything. One time, early on, a young employee spoke. He had a solution. No one heard him. But I stopped things. Say that again, please. His idea saved money and boosted our growth. You don't need power. You need open ears. That's how leaders rise with silence and focus. So here's my advice. Talk less, learn more. Quiet minds grow faster. Let others teach you. Lesson number 8 is this. Help one person today. Not someday. Not later. Start where you are. When Amazon was small, I replied to emails. One customer, one moment. Every person truly mattered. One woman was upset. She lost a package. It was a birthday gift. She cried in her message. I called the carrier, fixed it that night. She thanked me deeply, and I never forgot. That wasn't big news, but it changed something. She felt seen, heard. She felt important again. You can help someone with your time, with kindness or attention. It always comes back. Every success I had started by helping someone. Not 10 people, just one, with care. So here's the advice. Find one person today. Give without expecting anything. That's real power. Lesson number 7 is this. Think long-term always. Don't chase quick wins. Build something that lasts. When I started Amazon, it made no profit. People said I failed, but I stayed calm. I didn't want fast. I wanted something strong, something that could grow even without me. So I made choices with the future in mind. Even if they hurt in the short term, I worked long hours, missed parties, missed rest. But I had vision, and I stayed focused. Sometimes we feel tired. We want success now. But good things grow like trees. With time, each day adds something, a skill, a habit, a small win repeated. It becomes your foundation. Think 5 years ahead, not just 5 minutes. Build for your future, not for applause today. So here's my advice. Be patient and bold. Grow slowly, grow strong. The reward will come. Lesson number 6 is clear. Don't fear your failures. They teach more than any success can. When I left my job, I feared losing everything. No money, no praise, only risk and silence. Many ideas I had didn't work at all. Some broke quickly, others took too long. People laughed sometimes, said, "That's a joke." It hurt a lot, but I kept going. Failure isn't the end. It's just new direction. It says, try again, but do it smarter. Every lesson I learned came from trying something that didn't go right, but still taught me. We learn by doing, not just reading books, not waiting for perfect, just showing up daily. The fear will come, but don't freeze there. Use it as fuel. Use it as fire. Fall, stand, repeat again. That's the real path. No shortcuts, no magic. Just brave little steps. So here's my advice. Fail fast, fail forward. Fall, then stand stronger. That's how you grow. Lesson number 5 is this. Protect your time always. Time is your real money. Once gone, it's gone. When I was younger, I said yes too much. Meetings, events, tasks, even things I hated. I felt tired daily. Busy but not growing. Full schedule, empty progress. That had to change. One day, I stopped. I looked at everything. And I asked myself, is this helping me? Now I plan better. Few meetings, clear focus. Time for deep thinking and time to rest. I wake up early, but not to rush. I protect my morning. It sets the tone. People love your yes, but guard it well. Say no more often. Say yes with purpose. Time is your mirror. It shows your choices. Use it with care. Use it with meaning. So here's my advice. Watch your daily hours. Cut what drains you. Protect what grows you. Lesson number 4 is this. Stay curious every day. Curiosity is your fuel. It keeps you growing. As a child, I asked, how does this work? I opened toys apart and built strange machines. At school, I explored. Math, science, computers, books. Not to pass tests, but to understand more. Even as a CEO, I still asked questions, still tried new things, still played with ideas. People stop learning early. They feel too busy or think they know. That's a big mistake. Curious minds find answers. They see new paths. They don't stay stuck. They build the future. When we launched Kindle, many said, "Why books?" But we kept asking and found a revolution. When you stay curious, you keep life exciting. You find new skills, you surprise even yourself. So here's my advice. Ask more. Judge less. Try things. Stay open and never stop learning. Lesson number 3 is this. Keep things very simple. Simplicity brings speed, focus, and fewer mistakes too. In our early days, we had big dreams, but small tools only. That taught us clarity. I made pages plain. No colors, no noise. Just clean product names and one clear button. People said add more, but I said no. Too many options confuse. Simple wins every time. Even in daily life, we add too much. Too many apps, thoughts, too much mental weight. I use simple plans, a notebook, a timer, one main task daily. That keeps me moving. Amazon still follows this. Simple design, simple rules, one goal per project, and less is more. You don't need fancy, you need clear action. Start small, stay focused, let things stay light. So here's my advice. Simplify your mind first. Then your work, space, and life will follow. Lesson number 2 is this. Choose the hard thing. Not the easy path, but the one that matters. Before I left Wall Street, I had a choice. Stay safe and rich, or risk something big. The easy road was comfort. Money, title, routine, peace. But I felt empty. No fire, no growth. Starting Amazon was hard. Long nights, big fears. But it felt right. So I jumped in. Hard choices test you, but they shape you. They make you stronger, even when you fail. Most people avoid struggle, but struggle teaches courage. Teaches who you are and who you're not. Every bold step I took came with deep fear, but also deep purpose. That's why I moved. Don't chase comfort first. Comfort can be trap. Hard things build strength. Easy things fade fast. So here's my advice. Choose the challenge often, even when it's scary. That's where life grows. Lesson number 1 is this. Start now, not later. Today is all we have. Use it with power. Before Amazon, I waited. I made excuses daily. I need more money. I need more time. But one day came, I saw my future. Old, full of regret, wondering, what if? That scared me deeply. So I took action. Not perfect, just brave. I began with fear. No one is ready. You just begin anyway. One small step forward, then another, and another. Start before you're ready. Start with what's near. Learn along the road. It gets better fast. You don't need millions. You don't need luck. You need belief and real daily effort. Waiting kills more dreams than failure ever will. Start small. Start scared. Just don't stand still. So here's my advice. Start now. Be bold. Your future is waiting, but it won't wait. Which lesson from Jeff's story touched you the most? Are you ready to start now, even if it's hard? Have you ever made one bold choice that changed everything? Tell us in the comments. We'd love to hear your story too. If you felt inspired by this video, please like it, share with someone who needs hope, and don't forget to subscribe for more real stories told in simple and emotional English. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next story. And always remember, your next move matters.